Next up in the bread and butter series, we're going to stick with purchasing, but this time I'm going to show you entering in a subcontract. So this is the overview page. So from your drop down, if I go to purchasing, this little overview button here, that's what this is. And from here, if you like a different view, you can go and you can select enter in a subcontract from there. So this is not too awfully different from when you enter in a PO. Obviously, you have to put in a vendor, and I'm going to do Bath Electric for this. My pay to return to and terms come from my vendor screen once again. For project, I'm going to do Walton House. And then you can put in whatever information that you need to here. I am going to do a 10% default retainage percentage. Scope, schedule, references, and bond here are additional information fields that can be turned on or off within the actual transaction definition itself. So if you needed to put in information for your scope, obviously do that. And if there are ones that you don't feel like you would need, you can go to the transaction definition and turn them off. I'm not going to code any of them. But down here then in my entry screen, your project has to be filled in a second time. For cost code, I'm going to select electrical, cost type, subcontract. My item comes from my cost type. I'm going to do conversion type of price, and I'm going to do a $12,000 subcontract. My retainage percentage then is just coming from this little entry here. And I'm going to click submit on that. And that has been submitted now. And I am going to, in the next video, show you how an approval would work from another user's point of view.